Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Chandra Edu. Okay, today we will learn about Microsoft Excel for beginner. So the most important step about Microsoft Excel is how to open the Microsoft Excel itself. So here in this desktop, we have a shortcut menu for Microsoft Excel, and you can double click on this shortcut to open the Microsoft Excel. Okay, double click the shortcut, and then after we double click the shortcut, the Microsoft Excel will open up, and then we will view some menu here. Okay, when we open the Microsoft Excel, it will greet us. For example, here, good evening, and then we have some menu here. First, what we will use is blank workbook because we want to learn about Microsoft Excel, so we have to make a workbook. Here we will make a blank workbook. You can click on blank workbook. After you click on the blank workbook, we will see the layout of Microsoft Excel like here. Okay, across the top we have the some tabs here: home tabs, insert, page layout tabs, formulas tabs, data, review, view, developer, help. And every tabs, if we click on the tabs, for example page layout tabs, okay, uh, the particular tab will show a ribbon. Here is the ribbon for page layout tabs. Here the ribbon for formula tabs. And each ribbon divided up into groups. Here, for example, formulas tabs divided into function library groups, define names group, formula auditing groups, calculation group. And here, page layout tabs in this ribbon divided into themes group, page setup group, scale to fit group, sheet option group, arrange group. And if we see every group, some of them have a launch button here. Page setup have a launch button, but in themes group don't have launch button. Why? Because page setup group consists of so many menu, so it will not fit up in this area, in this space. So when we click on launch button, it will show up more option, more menu here. Okay, the next we will learn about the spreadsheet. Here we have a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet consists of column and rows. Column, rows, and every intersection of column and rows, it will produce a cell. For example, here, column D and then rows number 6, the intersection is here, it called a cell. And this cell have a name. The name is column rows. So this cell, the name is D6. D6. And then group of cell, for example here, or here or here, it will produce a range. We call it range. Group of cell, we call it a range. For example, here, from here to here. So this range have a name too. The name is from upper left through lower right. Upper left through lower right here. So the name is E5 through H16, or we can type E5 through here is column H16. So this range called E5 through H16. Okay, and then here, this spreadsheet, we have here sheet 1, and we can add up a sheet again, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, etc. And the group of sheet will make a workbook, or we here call it book. Sheet or worksheet, group of sheet or worksheet will make a book or workbook. Okay, that's all basic about Microsoft Excel, how to open it, and the layout of Microsoft Excel. If you want to learn about Microsoft Excel more and more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also, if you have any question or suggestion, please type on the column comment. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video.